Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Bill to ban polygamy has been cleared in Assam. UCC is next, says CM. Now the Assam Assembly has passed the Assam Prohibition of Polygamy Bill 2025 aimed at penalizing those who enter into a second marriage without legally dissolving the first marriage. Now that is marrying again without legally dissolving the first marriage is now illegal in Assam. The bill aims to protect women, prevent exploitation and address cases where individuals hide their existing marriage. Now the key provisions of the bill are up to 10 years of imprisonment and heavy fines for marrying again without dissolving the first marriage. Repeat offenders face a double punishment. There is double punishment for the repeat offenders, up to 2 years of jail and 1 lakh for those who hide information about polygamous marriages from the police. And hiding a polygamous marriage from police is also punishable, as I've already mentioned. Bill awaits the president's assent. CM Himanta Biswa Sarma expects approval. And the statements, the CM clarified that belief that Islam inherently promotes polygamy was factually incorrect. And he cited religious texts to state that Prophet Muhammad actually restricted polygamy and polygamous marriages under strict conditions. He stated that minus the consent, a second marriage is not legally valid in Islam. CM added that if he remains CM, the next step would be implementing the Uniform Civil Code, which is UCC. And now let us talk about some additional information important for UPSC perspective. Assam has already formed a panel under Justice retired Rumi Pulkan to examine UCC implementation. In 2023, Assam carried out a statewide crackdown on child marriages as well, citing misuse of religious and customary practices. The bill aligns with Article 44 directive principles, which encourage the states to work towards a uniform civil code. Polygamy is already illegal for most communities under Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and Indian Penal Code section 494, which is bigamy. Now let us understand why this is relevant for UPSC. So it is very important for GS paper 2, which is polity and governance, state legislative powers, interplay between personal laws and constitution provisions, Article 44, which is uniform civil code, and women's right and protection, federalism. Then GS paper 1 also, it is very important, which is Indian society, impact of religious practices, community reactions and debates on secularism. Then GS paper 4 also, it is very important, which is ethics, questions on gender justice, equality, balancing religious freedom and individual rights. And for essay paper also, this is again very important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.